Hi everybody. So today I'm going to show you a little tutorial about how we are going to clean up our silver, sterling silver using. Okay, so what we have here, I've got my aluminum foil, I've got my 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and I got my 2 cups of boiling water. You can see it steaming there. So basically what we're going to do here is we're going to make our own little remedy of basically an oxidative chemical reaction to remove the tarnish off of all these silvers. So I just finished this one, but as I've been using all of these, I just want a nice bright shine with them. So we're going to remove that oxidation. You kind of see how it's a little bit dark there, not very bright. So we're going to go ahead and put it in here. So we're going to put 2 tablespoons baking soda to 2 cups of water, so I can do all of them. So the ratio is 1 cup of water to 1 cup of baking soda. You can see how it's bubbling up there. Okay. So now we're going to take our hot water, put it in my bowl. Okay. Perfect. I did the darker bowl so you can see all of this activate, but we're just going to take our pieces, we're going to set them in there. You're going to see how they're going to start bubbling up. With that aluminum foil is going to remove that tarnish there. Okay, so I'm going to time it. I'm going to pause this for a minute, and then you can and then I'll tell you how long it takes for it to actually clear up that oxidation. Okay, so we are sitting about 10 minutes, and as you can tell, some of that silver is starting to shine right up. Let's see if I can grab any one of these. You see how it's a lot shinier. Using this home remedy of just baking soda, hot water, and aluminum foil. It's like a chemical reaction causing electrolysis where the baking soda is the medium. So we're going to let this sit in here for a few more minutes to brighten it up a little more, because the necklace on this one I had originally oxidized, but I'm like, we're going to go with a bright shiny silver with that one instead. So I'm oxidizing it a lot more, but we will continue after another 10 minutes. Alrighty, so now we are at 20 minutes sitting in our little solution here. And as you can see, just a little home remedy of electrolysis. And the reason why I like using baking soda metaphysically for our stones is that it's gentle on them. It's not an acid, so it's not going to cause harm to the finish, to luster. Like this Stitch-A-Tite here, it's soft like opal, and so you have to be extra careful when you're cleaning it because you can discolor it. So I like using the baking soda because it's soft and gentle on your crystals, but it allows this electrolysis to make your sterling silver just pop. I mean, just look at that, so beautiful. So after we're going to let these dry off. I'm going to rinse them off with water to get the baking soda off because it'll leave a residue. So cool. Let's see, what else do I got in here? All the mysteries. Ooh, this one too. Let's grab that one a little differently. Sacred 7 there. And then my new favorite one, new signature that I've been working on. This is a star garnet pendant. And then I was cleaning up my new locator pendulum. Okay, so that's that. And then we'll show you here. And zoom in a little bit. And see how much shinier all of these have gotten. Like, just so beautiful. All of these little things. Love my Stitch-A-Tite. And this one is so amazing metaphysically. I imprinted it with trust on this one, to trust myself, trust my intuition. But as you can see in all these creations, that silver just cleans right up. Just a little simple home remedy. And y'all can do this to maintain your sterling silver without paying a jeweler tons of money to do this exact same thing, where they just dunk it in a crock pot. well, they use an acid, whereas I use baking soda because it's an alkaline cleaner, which gives you the same result, but it doesn't ruin the finish or doesn't taint any of your jewelry. But with that aluminum foil, that electrolysis happens and really cleans it up. So we're going to go ahead and clean that baking soda off. So cool. Scrub it and polish. You can see how that's white sitting there. You rub it off. It's super shiny. Alrighty. They're all rinsed up there with some water. And as you can see, so pretty. Just amazing. Just amazing. You know, as an artist, and I do absolutely love working with my stuff. I marvel at my own creations. Like, every time I'm just like, I made that? Like, are you kidding me? This is so beautiful. Like, I'm always impressed all the time at my own works. Like, I'm just amazed by everything that I create. They're just so beautiful. And all of them have a unique personality. Just incredible. And the sun is out today, so I'm going to get some really good sun photos with all this silver. Get everything to pop well. And now we got them rinsed off, we're going to polish them up. So thank you for watching my beautiful video, my messy hair, my craziness. It is what it is. But we're going to polish them up, and then I'll get individual videos of all of them, just because I'm getting ready to get ready for Valentine's. So I'm really cranking out inventory, really cranking out stuff. Still taking some custom requests for people, so just let me know. But man, I absolutely love what I do. This is amazing. And I don't care how ugly I look and how matted and out of control my hair is. I'm in my home doing what I love doing. I don't got time to groom myself and make myself amazing. I like just creating. That's who I am. And this is as raw as it gets. I don't edit any video. I don't do anything. This is first take, only take. That's what I do because I don't got time for that. I like creating. Man, this one, wear this one on me. Oh, I love this root beer smoky quartz. So have a wonderful day, guys. Thanks for watching my little tutorial. Talk to you later. Bye.